Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start exploring German with FluentU, full guide step by step clearly. To start exploring German with FluentU, first, visit the FluentU website. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the German language section. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. Begin by selecting content that interests you. Explore categories such as music, movies, or original videos. Choose a video that resonates with your learning goals. Watch the video with subtitles to aid comprehension. Pause and replay sections to grasp challenging phrases. Utilize the interactive captions for vocabulary practice. Click on any word to see its definition and usage examples. Practice the vocabulary using the flashcard feature. Try quizzes to reinforce what you've learned. Take note of any words or phrases that need extra attention. Set a regular schedule for daily practice. Engage with community discussions or forums for additional support. Explore the blog for tips on improving your German skills. Remember to have fun while exploring the language. Keep track of your progress to stay motivated. Enjoy your journey into the German language with FluentU. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.